Who's ready for another Valentine DIY besides me? Well, I thought I'd come on and share with you as I make this frame with my son and his fiance. So what I did is I printed out a picture, and I only printed it on regular paper. It's not on photo paper. And then I got a piece of scrapbook paper, the color that I wanted, and I thought it went well with what they're wearing. It's a neutral. And then the frame I got at Michael's, but I got it a long time ago because I found this in my closet when I was cleaning it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut out the heart part so I can start Mod Podging the paper onto this frame, and then I'll take the template that was in the frame and use it to cut out the picture of these two. So that is what I am going to do. Okay guys, let me show you what I did. I took this piece of paper and I just went around with my finger and made a little bit of an indentation on the actual paper, and what it gave me is it gave me the exact heart of which I'll need, so it'll cover all the way. Okay guys, let me show you what I did here. I'm getting ready to Mod Podge it on, but what I did is I put it back so I knew that the heart was centered, you know, the way it should be. And then I just went with the paper the same way I did with the heart. I did around the frame, and I just folded it or pushed it against the frame like this, and that gave me where to cut it. See where it's creased? I don't know if you can tell on the back better, but it gave me the crease lines exactly where I need to cut. And then really all that's left to do is to Mod Podge it. And if you want to embellish it in any kind of way, and if you don't, you're done. Once you get this cut and get it Mod Podged, put the picture in, it's over. It's another easy one, isn't it? And this you can use for anything, whether it be a birthday, you could use birthday paper. If you were giving maybe someone in your life, an older person, a birthday party or something, get some paper that would be, you know, apropos for whatever the occasion. Now, if you wanted, you could paint it at this time, like say that, you know, your paper was pink or, you know, whatever the case, teal, green. Go ahead and paint the frame before you put the paper on, and then all you'll have to do is Mod Podge. Now, I'm not going to do it because this is natural looking, and that's fine with the color I have, so I'm not going to do anything to it. All I'm going to do is make sure that these little slits are cut enough so when I go to turn it under, it will be easy enough for me to do it. And the more slits, the more ease you're giving yourself to turn the paper. Okay. The only thing with this, I always hold my breath, hoping it doesn't wrinkle a lot, you know, with Mod Podge, how sometimes you get the bubbles and all that. So I've got to get inside this heart because I'm going to be folding that over. And it's kind of warm here today, so I got to work kind of quick because this will dry quick. And plus, I didn't do anything to prepare the wood so it's soaking in the Mod Podge as well. Gotta make sure it's all covered. Okay. Let's get this paper on there exactly like it should be. I thought I had a brayer, but I guess I don't. Yeah, there's that wonderful little bump. It never fails with Mod Podge. You always have. And you got to kind of just rub it out. Do it too bad other than right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come behind here and I'm going to kind of put some of the Mod Podge on the paper so it kind of makes it more pliable and not so stiff, so it'll be easier and it won't have a tendency to crack, meaning, you know, tear more than it should. Then I'm just going to start bringing it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue until I get this all where it needs to be. I'm sure you don't want to watch this whole process. So as soon as I get done doing all of this, then I'll be back. Okay, I've got it done around here. So now I'm going to Mod Podge the front. And I'm getting those little bumps in there. But I want to seal this. And again, this is when sometimes they'll start popping up, but oh well, we'll deal with it. Okay guys, I'm going to let that dry and then I'll be back. Okay, what I'm doing right now is I'm just taking what was in here, the insert, and I'm tracing around the picture. And then I'll cut that out. I went a little bit outside the heart deliberately to make sure that it'll fit okay. Okay, let's see. And I'll use this for the backing of it. Yep, that's gonna do her, I think. Perfect. So I'm gonna let this dry, and once it's all dried, I'll come back and show you the finished. Okay guys, then here is the frame that I made with the scrapbook paper and that dollar frame from Michaels. Makes a very pretty frame and it would make a really nice gift. I hope you'll try it and I'll be talking to you soon. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Talk to you soon guys. Bye.